Good morning, welcome back guys. In today's video we have another Honda Civic EG here, and I haven't done any review and walk around with this car, but I'll do that next time. But the reason why I'm doing this video because I want to document about this project car. So initially there's a failure with the distributor of this car. So what happened is my wife's driving this car coming back here, and she's about to park this car and suddenly stop in the middle of driving. So whilst driving, it suddenly stopped and died the engine. Okay, so she can even be able to park it properly, the car, because it stops right here. So we just push it and put it all the way into the front. But yeah, the reason why of this video is I want to show you what happened to this car. Okay, for other people who might hopefully not might get the same situation that I have right now, is to help you what you're gonna do, or what might be the cause of the problem, why it suddenly stops. So it has power, it has crank, but it doesn't go, it doesn't start all the way. So basically I asked two of my friend, yeah, shout out to you, JC and Jericho, for helping me out with this car. So Jericho have checked if there's any spark from the spark plug. So it doesn't have any spark, so that means there's a problem with the distributor. But before we do that, before we did everything, we changed the spark plug. Okay, so there's a brand new spark plug right now there, and I'm going to change the lead in the future. But right now I did a lot of research in the YouTube and things for them. It really a big help for me. So if there's no spark in the spark plug, there could be a problem with the distributor. And they said it's a very common thing with Honda, that it has failure or problem with the distributor. So I removed the cap. So there's a igniter and ignition coil inside, and I have tested the both igniter and ignition coil, and I just found out that there's a problem with the ignition coil, because the igniter works well. So I did a test light again, guys. I did a test light and I test both of them, the igniter and the coil. So the igniter is good, which gives spark to the coil, and the coil will produce spark to the leads and goes down to the spark plug, and so on and so forth. So the coil has a problem. So this is the coil. I have removed the coil, guys, and I'll show you the video later on when I return everything back. So this is the coil. Okay, so when I remove, I saw some signs of busted, like, see that plate? Yeah, it cracks up, and yeah, look, it cracked all the way. So I have a strong feeling that this is the fault, why it stopped in the middle of driving, because it doesn't produce any more spark to the leads and to the spark plug, and the engine suddenly stopped. So yeah, so I have ordered a brand new one, and I'm gonna pick it up later on, and then I'm gonna put it back and I really wish and hope that this is the main reason why it stopped. So stay tuned, guys, and then we'll see how it goes later on. And I'm very excited and I'm very nervous, and I really hope, I wish that this could be the problem why it's not running right now. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.